Oh no, Detective Clyde, that looks like the work of the Barracuda. This time, his crimes have escalated. Last week was a goldfish in office. So it's up to you and I to search for evidence and find our culprit. Are you ready? Okay, stick close to me, follow my each and every move. Why don't we split up? You stay out here, keep your eye on things, and I'm gonna go look in the back, check on that Barracuda. I'm gonna see if I can flush him out. Now, Clyde, remember that Barracuda is dangerous, so be careful.
Clyde, what are you doing out here all by yourself? Don't you know that someone could reach around and choke you?
I caught you, Barracuda. You were trying to choke my partner, Clyde.
No, I wasn't.
Yes, you were, wasn't he? Yeah. You want to know what happens to bad Barracudas who I catch trying to choke my partner, Clyde? Show him.
You spank them?
We don't spank the sea lions. We spank the Barracudas.
No, anything but that. Clyde's being dramatic. All you have to do is touch him gently on the chest. Try.
Touch him? Here? Okay. Here? Here? 2 hands? No hands? All right, Clyde, that is ridiculous. You are just too much. However, Barracuda, that still does not excuse the fact that we all know it was you who stole that fish. Just confess. Well, I guess it wasn't you after all.
Nope, it was that otter guy.
We don't get